All right, today we are sea trialing the Bluewater 2850. At 3,000 RPM, we were at 16.4 mile an hour, 1.3 miles per gallon. 3,500 RPM, 26.8 miles an hour at 1.7 miles per gallon. At 4,000 RPM, this was our sweet spot at 32.3 miles an hour, 1.7 miles a gallon, 19 gallons an hour. At 4,500 RPM, we were doing 37.7 miles an hour, 1.3 miles per gallon. At 5,000 RPM, we were doing 41.6 miles an hour, 1.3 miles per gallon. 5,500 RPM, 46 mile an hour at 1.4. And at 6,300 RPM, top speed, 53.8 miles an hour at 1 mile per gallon. Talking about an amazing boat, beautiful ride, beautiful lines, and absolutely amazing performance numbers.